Hi, this is the Honorpad X9 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to home screen and wallpaper. Click here to wallpaper section, tap to allow, and now we could see here the gallery. We could use photos from our device gallery downloaded previously from the internet, or just for example taken on our device camera. And also we could use here the default wallpapers, or we could click here to more wallpapers and to use the online wallpapers. But to use the online wallpapers we should be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. So just select one from the available wallpapers, tap to OK in the right down corner and select lock screen. Wait a couple of seconds and now let's just check. So as you could see, we just successfully changed our wallpaper. And also we get one more way how we could do that. Just pinch first to customize your home screen, and here in the left down corner you'll see wallpaper icon. Just tap on it, and here after that by the same way select one from the wallpapers, tap to OK and click to lock screen. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.